Want to remove unwanted people or objects from your photos in seconds? With the new cleanup feature on iPhone, you can erase distractions and make your photos look perfect. No editing skills needed. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to use cleanup to remove objects on your iPhone. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone, find and tap on the photo you want to edit. Next, tap on the Edit button from the bottom. Now, look for the Cleanup tool and tap on it to activate the feature. Once enabled, simply tap, brush, or circle the object or person you want to remove. Your iPhone will automatically process the image and remove the selected object, filling the background intelligently. If the result isn't perfect, you can try again by brushing over the area more carefully until it looks just right. The cleanup feature works perfectly on newer iPhones running the latest version of iOS, as it uses advanced AI to detect and remove objects. When using the cleanup feature, use small, precise strokes for better results. It works best on simple backgrounds like sky, walls, or grass. You can try multiple passes if the object doesn't disappear completely. And if you don't like the edit, just tap revert to go back to the original photo anytime. That's how you can remove unwanted objects using the cleanup feature on your iPhone. It's one of the easiest ways to instantly improve your photos. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks, and check out more helpful guides on iOS Hacker. Thanks for watching.